Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some beef teriyaki skewers with a homemade teriyaki sauce. It's yummy, let's get started. So first things first, I'm using wooden skewers. These have to be submerged in water for about 30 minutes before using them. Otherwise they'll get too brittle and break. They need some moisture. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep them off to the side. So right here, I have some beef. See the lines? I'm gonna cut against the lines and I'm gonna make them long, thin pieces. This is flap meat. You can use like a real thin sirloin, works either way. And so you cut them against the grain. It's supposed to let them be tender when they cook. And that is what I've heard, just like that. Here's my beef cut into long strips. So now I'm going to get one of my skewers and I'm going to start just going like this, in and out. And I'm going to make little skewers. Here are my beef skewers. They're ready to go on the grill. I'm cooking these on an indoor grill, stove top. Here's my grill. I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. And now I'm going to start adding my skewers. Now I have these a little bit under the medium heat. I covered them with a large lid just to kind of let them all cook up a little bit more evenly all the way through. Let's make our sweet teriyaki sauce. Right here I have half a cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of honey. These are 2 garlic cloves. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. 1 stalk of green onion. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Right here I have a 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to add the cornstarch to the water and I'm going to make a little slurry. And that's going to be a thickener for my sauce. Adding my cornstarch slurry to my sauce. And now I'm going to mix everything together and this is my teriyaki sauce. Here's my teriyaki sauce. I reserved a little bit on the side. And the other one I'm going to go ahead and use for brushing on my skewers. So now I'm going to add some sauce to my skewers. Give it a lot of flavor. This brown sugar will start to crystallize. Oh, this is going to be so good. And these are my teriyaki skewers, beef skewers. I garnished them with a little bit of sesame seeds and green onions. Look at that. Have some extra sauce over here to pour on top. These are super yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.